understanding some of the tools which are required for doing a text analytics. Amongst that, the very important one being the regular expression programming code, which is uh, which is a very effective tool to identify patterns in a given text. For instance, like if you take any text data, so there are number of characters in it, number of hashtags and emojis you could find it. And in a given text data, if you're required to find a pattern, this is where regular expression comes into play. And it has a wide application. In fact, for instance, if you want to do some feature extraction, or even if you want to find out some sentiment of a public in a text data, like uh, you can use a regular expression. And uh, and also uh, and also yeah, that's what. So how do we start? So for that we need to import a library from Python. Import re. So shift enter. Okay, you get import re. The next thing would be uh, we need let us take some text here. I already have a text. So here is a text. So you can see there are words in it, there are characters in it, and it's a sentence, right? So I just want to assign this to a variable called as text. Fine. So let me say I want a pattern. Find the patterns to be fox. So what I'm trying to tell is that in a given text here, I would like to identify the word called as fox. So how do we do this? So there is a Python function, right? There is something called as re.search search. What I would do is I'll put it as patterns text. So we'll just assign it to a variable called as result. Let me see, I'm just figuring it out on the way. Print result. Okay, so here is it. So you can see fox here. So what it is telling is that for this function, I wanted to find fox in a given text, right? So what I did was I used a function called as re.search research and this function, and it was assigned to result. When I print it, I got a match as a fox. So match as a fox. So yeah, there is also another way of doing things here. I will just copy this uh, for our reference purpose. Okay, we can also do this. For instance, like if you want same thing, the text is the same and the function is the same. And what it is telling here is that if the result is found, the match is found, so I need an index number for it. If not, or else no match found. So what I will do is I'll just give a enter, say 16, right? So 16 is nothing but the index number. If you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So a fox comes to a 16th index number, okay, as a character, the beginning of the character, right? So we got a 16. So one is getting the index number. What if I want to get a word itself as a fox, whether it is, since fox is already there, I need a fox to be printed. So I use a function called as group. So this is an object within regular function. So if I use this, what I will get, I get a fox here. So that is how easy peasy, right? So to recap, so this is the text what we have, which was assigned to a variable called as text. and also we wanted to find whether the word fox is there or not. So fox is there, and we use a function called as research function to find it out. Read.search function, right? So what happens, like for instance, like I also used two other objects called as result group and also result. Yeah, I use a result start to find the index of the word. I can also use a result group here. Let us say, like, instead of fox is not there, I'll just put fox 1 here. So it will show no match found. What happens here? If I put 1 here, it shows none, right? So yeah, that's the thing. So there are two ways of finding whether the word is there or not, or a character or a special character like hash is there or not, something like that. This is a easy way to do using a regular functions. So as we go across, we can play with some other regular functions, which could be useful for your later text analytics. Yeah, thanks for watching.